So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay? You're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle, and we'll do this.
Breaking my arm, bro.
On September 12th, 2024, a Reading police officer pulled over a man for doing 60 in a 40. What happened next ended up on Bodycam and sparked a firestorm online.
Hi, I'm Brian Cowan, Reading Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going about 60 miles an hour on Pacelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Okay, we're not going to play that game, sir. So if you don't want to identify yourself, I'm just going to place you under arrest and tow your vehicle. Okay?
I'm traveling right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Okay? So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay? And you're a grown adult, so you're going to make an adult decision right now. Okay? So that's up to you. What do you want to do? Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle.
Hey, bro.
Edward 47. I'll take a 1025. Don't.
Trying. Hemophilia, bro. Ow, that
Don't.
let me get out.
Don't. Get out right now. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt and get out.
I'm traveling, sir.
Undo your seatbelt
I'm not
and get
conducting
out of
business
the
right
vehicle. You are under arrest.
now. I'm not conducting
Get
business.
out of your vehicle. Out of your vehicle. Undo your seatbelt. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Undo your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle.
Brian, dude.
Okay?
10-8, call me 85 Edward 47, I think I'm closer.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the
Man,
Undo your seatbelt
no.
and get out of the vehicle.
My arm.
I'm not going to break your arm. I don't want to. I want you to get out of the vehicle. Do you not want to get your seatbelt off first?
Bro.
Why don't you just get your seatbelt off and we'll do this?
Arm, bro.
No.
Dude, I'm not
You're under
conducting
arrest.
business.
You're under arrest.
I'm not conducting business.
You're under arrest. Okay?
No, for what? Show me the magistrate.
Yeah, that's where we're going to go. You don't want to identify yourself, so we're going to do that. Okay? You don't get to do this, sir.
You don't either, bro. You don't get to go in my car, get me out and break my.
I'm asking you to step out.
I'm asking you to let go of my arm.
I'm not going to do that.
I can't reach my seatbelt.
You can do it with your right arm.
No, I can't.
You can do it with your right arm. So as soon as the other officer gets here, we're going to pull you out and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Right. For traveling, yeah.
Yep.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
47. I'll take another unit.
Get off me, dude! What the is your problem?
Don't.
Get off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop. Stop.
No! Dude, what the
Resisting me. Stop.
not do this? Pull me over there, dude!
Stop. Resisting me.
No, dude, you're f***ing me, dude!
Stop.
No!
Stop. Stop.
Dude! You stop! Get the off of me, dude! Dude!
Stop.
No! You stop!
Stop.
You
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not arrested!
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under
You
arrest.
caught me speeding. Give me a ticket so
Stop
I'll be on my
resisting
way.
Stop.
I got you.
Stop.
What are you guys doing, dude?
You're under arrest.
Smash your face, dude!
Stop resisting.
And put me under arrest and your magistrate.
You are under arrest.
Got it.
Here, let's get this arm.
Stop. You're good, bro. Stop.
I'm burning my face.
All right. Got it? It's on my short. This one's not
Face
locked
is
in.
burning.
I got you.
I'm traveling.
Thanks. Now. Nope. My car.
Look straight. No knives on you, anything?
I'm traveling right now.
You're traveling to jail right now.
Not in the process of conducting business right now. Take me to see the magistrate, please.
Sit down. Feet in.
What was the guy doing?
Yeah,
So what do you need?
I need to be see the magistrate and show.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
Show my victim. Where's my victim right now?
Me.
I'm just traveling.
Yeah, you're traveling to jail.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Perfect.
I'm a private American.
Okay, cool. Anything else? You're under
I'm
arrest.
ready to see the judge.
Yeah, whenever the jail gets you over to the jail or to the judge, absolutely.
I'll be able to see him
Okay.
right now.
Perfect. Good one.
Sounds good. Yeah. All right.
Thanks, brother.
Yep, no problem.
38-year-old Frederick Rick Phillips was arrested and transported to a local hospital before being booked into the Shasta County Jail. Reading police later released Bodycam footage and a public video briefing, calling online allegations of excessive force inaccurate. But Phillips argued the department's viral response left out key parts of his allegations, including claims that he was mistreated at the hospital and denied critical medication while in custody. The criminal case against him was ultimately dismissed. Phillips publicly stated the dismissal stemmed from a violation of his right to a speedy trial. The Shasta County District Attorney's Office later confirmed the case was dropped because no courtroom was available within the legally required time limit. What began as a speeding stop became a viral controversy, with bodycam footage, competing narratives, and accusations on both sides about what really happened after the cameras started rolling.